The status of the law right now is Department of Human Services documents and court documents are confidential.
To deny an attorney access to that file over there is troubling. To be limited in what you can review and see during the representation of a parent, child, or relative in a youth court proceeding, to be limited to only what you can go and view in a certain amount of time.
Who ever heard of a lawyer representing a client and the judge saying, wait now, you're not entitled to this part of the file? That ain't gonna happen. Everything that is competent evidence, everything that is brought before the court, every lawyer is entitled to it if he's representing a client in that proceeding.
They can read our records. Our records are available for them to read and review, but currently they are unable to make copies of the records to take with them.
I don't know that that's the state statute.
The statute covers what people can have copies of or not. The parent's attorney can always come and view the entire file.
You're saying a lawyer who represents a client in a youth proceeding cannot have a copy of the file?
Of any records.
Access to the record is a sincere and troubling problem.
But what you're saying, I'm telling you, is just not a problem out there. It's not. People who are a part of a proceeding, if they have an attorney, they are going to have adequate time to prepare. They're going to be aware of all of the evidence that the judge is considering. Any judge who does otherwise, is just making a mistake, and that doesn't happen.
Ms. Faye's case is now sealed, even to me as an attorney of record. If I went over there today to examine Ms. Faye's file, as I did last week, I would be denied access to that file. I don't have access to those records right now. Even after I have filed a federal civil rights lawsuit, more importantly, even after I've made an appearance in that case, and there is not a rule or a statute that says that I can't have access to it. It is simply the youth court system in Hancock County that says I can't have access to it.
It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. But a lawyer would not stand for it.